everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Now we have to enter system security, so simply tap on it. And here let's swipe to this other section. On the second position we've got the credential storage, so let's tap. As you can see, here we've got at the very bottom, we've got the option to remove all user certificates, so simply tap and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot again tap on remove all user certificates, so this is our proof, our evidence. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.